Now, as you can see here on my screen, right, you can see exactly weekly sales. And over here for the current week, you can see $15,000. Now, why I'm showing you this, because we recently started with new manifestation niche tests. So basically what we are doing, we are running not only Facebook ads, but also TikTok ads and Google pay-per-click ads. As you can see over here, look, here was new test. So basically, we already had pre-engaged audience on TikTok, so we send that, basically almost free traffic, $7,000 in free traffic. And over here, we started with Google pay-per-click campaigns, and you can see $12,500 and $15,000 current week, okay? So it's very important if you're watching this video to understand that you need to know exactly who's your audience, and are they low emotional state, are they in the problem aware state, or totally unaware states. Okay, so awareness states are really important. Now, in my coaching mentorship program, I'm sharing exactly how to do this, you can step-by-step duplicate and install the same method in 2025. So as you watch this video, you can see, reach out to me. You can reach out to me later over here on my Instagram. As you can see over here, you have my WhatsApp number as well under this video. So you can reach out to me over here. And if you have any questions regards to affiliate marketing, running ads, Clickbank affiliate marketing, let me know, okay? Let me know, and I will personally help you to get up and running.